3 months ago, I was exhausted from trying to build a following on social media. The constant posting, the algorithm changes, the pressure to be on all the time. Then I discovered something that changed everything. 7 income streams that require zero social media presence, no personal branding, and definitely no dancing on TikTok. And in the last 90 days, these quiet methods have generated over $8,000 in additional income. I'm not here to sell you a course or promise overnight riches. What I'm sharing are real income streams I've personally tested and validated. Some took weeks to set up, others took months to see results, but all of them work without requiring you to build an audience, show your face, or compete in the social media circus. If you're an introvert, value your privacy, or just want to make money without the noise, this video is for you. The first stream is digital product arbitrage. I buy private label rights content for $20 to $50. Rebrand it and sell it on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Last month, I made $1,200 from a productivity planner I bought for $30. The key is finding high demand, low competition niches. I use tools like eRank to research what's selling, then find matching PLR content. No content creation, no social media promotion, just smart market research and strategic positioning. Stream number 2 is local service brokering. I connect local businesses with service providers and take a commission. For example, I found a pressure washing company and started referring them to property managers in my area. I earned $50 to $100 per referral, and last month made $800 just from introductions. The beauty is it's all done through email and phone calls. No social media required, just good old-fashioned networking and relationship building. Third is automated affiliate websites. I create simple review sites using WordPress, target low competition keywords, and earn commissions when people buy through my links. My camping gear review site makes $400 to $600 monthly with minimal maintenance. I write 10 to 15 articles up front, optimize for SEO, and let Google do the marketing. No social media promotion needed. Just search engine traffic, converting into affiliate commissions. Stream 4 is print on demand, but not the oversaturated t-shirt market everyone talks about. I focus on niche items like planners, journals, and specialty notebooks. I use Canva to create designs, upload to platforms like KDP and Printful, and earn royalties on every sale. My best-selling design is a habit tracker that makes $300 to $500 monthly. The key is solving specific problems for specific audiences, not trying to appeal to everyone. Fifth is domain flipping. I buy expired domains with good metrics for $10 to $50, sell them for $200 to $2,000. Last quarter, I flipped a fitness-related domain for $200 that I bought for $35. I use tools like expireddomains.net to find opportunities and GoDaddy auctions to sell. It's like real estate flipping, but digital. No social media needed, just market knowledge and patience. Stream 6 is micro SaaS tools. I identify small problems in specific industries and create simple software solutions. My invoice tracking tool for freelancers makes $600 monthly with just 30 subscribers at $20 each. I use no-code tools like Bubble to build it without programming skills. The key is solving real problems for people willing to pay for solutions. No social media marketing, just direct outreach to potential users. The 7th stream is content licensing. I create stock photos, videos, and audio using AI tools, then license them on platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. My AI-generated business photos earn $200 to $400 monthly in royalties. The initial work is upfront, but once uploaded, they earn passive income forever. No social media promotion required. The platforms handle all the marketing and sales. Now, let me be completely honest. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. Stream 1 took 3 months to generate meaningful income. Stream 2 required building relationships over 6 months. Some months are better than others, but the beauty is they're all scalable without requiring you to become a social media personality. You can stay behind the scenes and focus on systems, not followers. If you're wondering where to start, pick the stream that matches your current skills and available time. Have design skills. Start with print on demand. Good at research. Try domain flipping. Do you like building things? Consider microsas. The key is starting with one stream, mastering it, then adding others. Don't try to launch all 7 at once. That's a recipe for burnout and mediocre results. If this approach to making money without social media resonates with you, let me know in the comments which stream you're most excited to try. And if you want more honest, no hype money content like this, subscribe for daily videos that cut through the noise and focus on what actually works.